tips I like to give, which I always tell all the boys in every season of the show, is be the best you can be. Don't try to be anyone else. What you've been given is special. There's something special within each one of us. I read this Norwegian proverb a few days ago. It was very interesting. It meant something like this: speak to the queen and she'll make you a king. So that is the tip I would give you for today, boys. To speak to a girl like she's a queen. She will definitely make you a king. Like I said, just being the best that you can be. I've always said that for all these boys, I want to bring out their best qualities. Sometimes it takes a third person to recognize that special quality, that X factor that is in you. If you're not able to do it yourself, then we have a show like Super 2, where you have a mentor like me who can hopefully pinpoint that and bring that out. Primarily what tops my list is respect. Of course for women, but definitely for human beings in general. It's something that I've seen. Unfortunately in India, we don't have that. We have a lot of classism, your social status, the family that you come from, the amount of money you have. It dictates the way you talk to people. I've been to coffee days a lot. I drink a lot of coffee, especially before my workouts. And I've noticed people around, the way they talk to the waiters, who are actually the ones who are feeding them, working really hard from morning to night, make sure that they get their fix of coffee. They're so rude, because in India, that dignity of labor is not given, and respect is not given. So I think respect is the most important. Super Dude to me is a guy that every girl wants to be with and every guy wants to be like. Someone really special who recognizes that he has a special quality. And I think every guy has the potential to be a Super Dude. I'm sure you guys had a look at it outside while I was revving the engine. It sounds beautiful. I'm sure it's going to turn heads. Whoever wins this bike is going to be really lucky. It's a stunning bike. I wish I could have it for myself and ride off on it. I love bikes. I'm sure that the guy who wins Super Dude this year is going to be really turning a lot of heads. The season's going well. Got a great bunch of contestants this year, and I'm hoping that the competition gets really tough between them, because we'll have them shining through. The more the tougher the competition gets, the guys will shine. So I'm hoping that they step up their game with every coming week. We eventually get India's #1 Super Dude.